ICP, so bearish but flat. So what that tells me is I want to sell it, but I don't know if there's much room to sell. Yeah, we'll go back to the weekly. Let's draw some zones here. There's a significant zone here, and on the weekly here, it does not want to go higher. So these are your areas. Look to short it. I mean, honestly, you could probably short it now, depending on what kind of R ratio you want, depending on how long you're okay with being in this trade for. I would wait for price to come up a little bit higher if you want, but I mean, honestly, right now it's pretty good. Jump in right now, or a perfect trade would be waiting for it to come back up to this area of resistance and then enter your short position. So pretty straightforward with most of these. Your average range on this is about 70, yeah, about 70 cents. So that's pretty much exactly what this is. Like right here, 70. So this is your perfect weekly trade right here. I love when things set up like this, where it's just easy to see. It just makes sense. Way below this moving average, you're going with the trend. You have your resistance up here. You have a decent range. You're gonna make a decent R. I would probably move this stop loss to like here, honestly. As long as there was good rejection here, then I'd be comfortable with that. You just place your stop a little bit above these previous wicks, and then you're good to go. Get a 7R. You're following structure accordingly. You're following the trend properly. You got good risk to reward. You're waiting for the right entry points, meaning that you have good price action. You have good, the candles are closing properly. You're waiting for them to close properly. All your moving averages are lining up. So, I mean, this price is still above this 1 hour moving average. It's still above the 4 hour moving average. So like, there's still bulls here. So like, we would still just wait. You would wait for price to come down more, obviously, or just to come back up to here and just really hit this resistance zone, and then yeah, set your short position and ride it out. So that is ICP.